Hello, and welcome to the IP YouTube video on InterChange. Part searches with the electronic interchange are convenient and very easy to use. To begin, click the InterChange tab. This takes the service dealer to the InterChange page. InterChange works on both OE and aftermarket numbers. On this page, the dealer can simply enter in the part number that they want to interchange. For example, let's assume that the service dealer took off an OE radiator hose that still has the number visible. So type in the OE number and click Search. The results in this case is a Gates radiator hose. From here, this part can be selected and ordered like any other parts list page. If the entire OE number had not been readable, wildcards can be substituted. For example, the question mark can be used in place of a single character, and the asterisk can be used in place of multiple characters. Now let's see how these can be used. From the previous example, let's assume that part of the number couldn't be read. Let's type in using the question mark. In this case, let's type in the XL 34 8 question mark 274 BA, assuming that we can't tell if the character is a B or an 8 because of a smudge. Now click Search. The results are the same as there is only one match. Now let's see what's returned if there are multiple matches. First, let's enter a 51515 and press Search. Note that 7 parts are listed. A couple of oil filters, some belts, a Wix filter, and a 4-season suction line. Note here is that the automotive service professional is aware of the part type being searched and therefore makes the correct decision on which part to select. Now let's search where using the wildcard returns more than one part. In this case, let's do a search for a 515 question mark 5. Clicking the search button returns a list of parts to be chosen from. If we choose a 51545, then that parts list page is returned to present the dealer with 5 choices in this example. Finally, looking at a similar example of using the asterisk instead of the question mark, let's see what we get when we enter a 515*5. The results return is quite a bit longer, but note each item in the list starts with a 515 and ends with a 5. To review the difference between the wildcards, the question mark and the asterisk, the question mark can be used in place of a single character in any position. The asterisk can be used in place of multiple characters but cannot be used as the first or second character. InterChange can save the automotive service professional a lot of time in looking up the part. However, as stated on the InterChange homepage, this is only a guide. The application of the part needs to be verified always. If you are not all that familiar with InterChange, be sure and take some time to play with it and experiment with both the question mark and the asterisk. Thanks and have a good day.